So this is the final. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're very much welcomed, and I hope I'll convince you to subscribe to my channel by the end of this video. So today I'll be doing some butterfly distressed locks on my already twisted hair, and I'm so excited about it. It's one of those hairstyles I've always wanted to try out, and I'm glad I have the chance today. I'll be using Guess Girl to achieve the locks. So I'll be using 2 packs of Guess Girl. Each pack contains 8 pieces of braiding hair. So I'll divide each braiding hair into 2 pieces. I will also be using a latch hook crochet needle, some petroleum jelly, and a pair of scissors. So take 1 piece of hair and divide it into 2 as shown, then try to loosen it. So I'll take the latch hook and pass it through my hair. Then I put the braid in the hook, then close it. Pull the latch to the other side and pull one side of the braiding hair across so that you have 2 pieces of braiding hair. Ensure that you make one side longer than the other one. Cover the natural hair with the shorter braiding hair. Then use the long braiding hair to wrap around the hair. Ensure you wrap it well so that no one can see the natural hair. Then to achieve the distressed look, just place your thumb, wrap the hair around it, and then slowly remove it. So this is how it should look. So after doing 2 locks at the back, I decided to try something a little different, and I love the result and stuck to it. I introduced Mali braids because I wanted to achieve longer locks. For this one, you'll first crochet the Mali hair, then the Guess Girl. This time, only a small part of the spring hair will hang on one side to make the other side longer. Take the shorter side, roll it together with the Mali hair and the natural hair. Then, using the longer side of the spring hair, repeat the wrapping process. I love this hair because it has this messy-like appearance, so the more you stay with it, the better it even looks. Secondly, it has low manipulation, so when your hair is undisturbed, it can even grow longer. And third, from afar, someone might think that you have dreadlocks on. And lastly, I liked this locks better than the other one, as this one was more firm and longer, and it was just perfect for what I wanted to achieve. So guys, this is the final look. You can see how I did the parting. It came out so neat, so beautiful, and the hair was not heavy at all. This whole process took me about 6 hours. So I was able to do 2 different looks. For the short one, it was just Guess Girl alone, but the long one I added Mali hair, and I can say I loved the end result of the one that I incorporated Mali hair. This is it from me today. Until next time, bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.